So today we're going to go over how to use the iMovie app on the iPad, the camera function on the iPad, and the screen recording function on the iPad to make a movie that you could then share on Google Drive or send out as an email or put in anything you want on Classroom, etc. So here we go with the process. So I'm broadcasting live today from my bathroom, which is always exciting, and I want to talk about how to make a movie on your iPad so you can show kids, you can connect with them, you can talk about what your expectations are, you can show them where you are, you can make a video before you come back and then talk about your video, so you can dub in a voice, you can dub in video, and I'll try to show you really fast, like maybe within 3 minutes. I hope to do that. So follow along on my screen recording, and I'll be back at the end to say goodbye. So have a good learning session, and have fun on virtual school. So the first step to make a video is to record yourself talking to your students or talking to parents. And so we're going to open up the camera app, and we're going to flip the camera back so that it faces yourself, so that people can see you. So I'm going to open up the camera app, it's just camera on it. And I'm going to flip it around. There I am. Hi. So then I can go and I can talk. And then I can go in and say whatever I want. I can film other things. And so at least you have this connection with me, the teacher. And I think that's the really important part. So let's move on. So I'm screen recording right now. And if you don't know how to screen record, remember from the top right-hand corner where you see the percentage in the battery, you swipe from that corner towards the center like that red button right here. Screen recording, okay? It's on. Make sure your microphone is on. Then you can go in and you can talk everybody through any of the websites, going through video tours, show videos, post to your Google Classroom. Anything that you record on your screen that I see and that you see right now shows back up for your students. It's that easy. So I'm screen recording right now, but I'm making a video of my screen recording. So feel free to just continue to do that, okay? We're going to move on with the rest of this video making process right now. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to open iMovie. iMovie is the purple icon with the white star in it, which is in the bottom right hand corner of my screen. So right here, the iMovie. So I'm going to touch iMovie and I'm going to open it. So here I am in iMovie, and so I'm going to hit the plus button right here to create a new video. So hit the plus button, hit movie, and then I'm going to load the video clips that I made so far. So I'm going to load this video down here of me, which is me using the camera on the iPad, facing myself and just talking into it. And then I'm going to load my tutorial video that I made up here. And then I'm going to hit Create Movie right here, at the bottom that is. It loads the two videos that I just made, right? What your expectations are, you can show them where you are, you can make a video before you hit the Done button in the top left-hand corner when you're done with this video. Okay, obviously you want to go through it, you want to edit it, and look at it a little bit more. And mess around with all the functions in there, and it will make sense. It's very intuitive. When you're done, you hit the square at the bottom with the arrow, and I always want to save my video to my drive or to my folder, and it will be in your photos. So I'm going to save my video, and you can pick which one you want. I'm going to go with HD because I think they look better if they're like that. So hit HD. It might say my battery level is low, but I can still continue. So I'm exporting my video. Once it's exported, you'll find it in your photos, and you can then go and share it to Google Drive, Google Classroom, email, YouTube, etc., etc. Okay, so there you have it. That's me filming myself on my camera, on my iPad, and then going in and showing you how to screen record on your iPad, and then going into iMovie and then editing it all up and making a video. It's really a lot simpler than it looks if it looked hard, but I would just go and do it because you got to start this way, and there's probably a lot of other ways to make videos. This is just one way that I thought was really easy. It's nice to talk to people. It's nice to have people see your faces. You can crack jokes, you can dance, you can show them where you are, you could go for a walk, you could explore nature, walk through a project, demonstrate stuff, make movies, and speed them up really quick for everybody. So if you have any questions about anything, just email me at Matthew Gerlich, and I'd be happy to get back to you about how to help you do this project. So have a good one.